Hello and welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we're talking about a stock that is trading under $1 right now, and we're going to talk about the company, what's causing the stock to go up, and why I think the stock, it's definitely worth to have it on the watch list for Monday because the stock has a lot of potential. The stock started trading in 2008. And it always has like a very weird ups and downs. It goes up and goes really high, and then it started going down. It could go down to literally 22 cents. The mean of the stock is around $4. $1.50. In the last few years, it stayed around $1.50, 30 cents. Then in 2020, it had a peak at $15, and now it's back to 99 cents. So now, very interesting stock. It closed green on Friday, and by the looks of it, we're going to go through different indicators like, EMA, exponential moving average, the RSI, what is the strength is people buying, selling, whatever doing on the stock. MACD, moving average conversions and diversions, and ATR, average to range. Okay, now ATR, what it does, it gives you an idea how much in a day the stock can move, right? And because there's a catalyst that broke out, stock is moving around, let's say around 27 to 25 cents, all right, in a given period, right? In here, for example, it's an hour long candle, so that means the stock moved around 27 cents. This is why I think I have a zone here. There's a resistance from previous few weeks, few months, about $1.01, and the stock is sitting around 93 cents, and it closed green. So I have a feeling that it might, if it started going to the zone, and if it crosses this $1 zone, it's definitely going to go to $1.10. But we're going to talk about what's causing the stock and what is the company's about, right? The company right now has a patent mist machine that basically used for bacterial disinfection, decontamination. What they use is 7.8% hydrogen peroxide and binary ionized technology. So they have a solution that you put in a machine and you mist it out, and it kills all the bacteria, right? Very great idea. After Corona, I think we need it. We need things like that could, disinfect the environment quickly. Buildings example. So why the stock is going up, right? Okay. Now on May 24th, Thursday, there's a conference, Interpex 2002 Technical Conference. Now that conference, what it does is designed to connect different state-of-the-art market leaders in pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and life science industries. And what Tommy's going to have an opportunity to demonstrate their product to different various customers, right? Like, people, it's in New York City, right? There's a lot of buildings and a lot of, people trying to get the workers back into the building. So they're going to have a lot of people looking at this real time. And if they get a lot of contracts, on the product, that's a lot of revenue right there, right? So this is what essentially causing the stock to go up. And since this is on May 24th, I think the stock is still going to have a run. You already have a catalyst that is positive, and there's a potential revenue can be generated for Tommy, and they could have a big contract. They could get a big contract if this would happen. We don't know, but there's always a potential here, right? And this is again that I think that this is going to cause the stock to go a little above $1. And we're going to have to find that out on Monday, right? So let's say what the institutional bank holds for the stock, right? They hold about 4% in the company. These are the big companies. About 7 of them hold about 4%. Not a lot, but still, there's still people in there. There's a company called H.C. Wainwright. They think the analyst from this institutional bank thinks is a strong buy. His average price was 3.5. And there's not a lot of short interest on the stock, so it's 0.38%. So nobody's really betting against the stock. It's a penny stock, right? So what I'm saying is, again, this is not going to be a financial advice. This is just what I'm going to do, and I'm just putting it out there for your information purposes only. But it's definitely worth to be added to the watch list. And to me, the level that I'm looking at is about 95 cents. If it crosses this a couple of times, let's say if you have hypothetically speaking, I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Let's say I had the line right here on 91 cents. How am I going to see it on Monday, right? If it goes in, then it started going in a little bit, and you see started coming up, and the MACD is going to start rising. The RSI is going to stay above 70. I'm pretty sure that it's going to hit at least, 90, at least $1, right? In that case, that's what I'm looking for on Monday. If it goes into the zone and it stays there for a while and consolidates and then it picks up, we definitely have a little bit of a play here. That's what I'm looking for. Wanted to add it to the watch list. But look, the company does have a lot of different, it goes up and down of very, different fashion. Like it is volatile. If you go to week, for example, there's a volatility here. But again, this is something that, the catalyst came out, and I wanted to make sure that I make the video. As far as the company, financials are concerned, it's about point. So it's a $17 million market cap. It's not a very huge company right now. Its EPS is negative. They are looking to sell the product they made, and the product's patent, so that's also a good thing. 52-week range, they go about from 60 cents to $3. So there's a potential here. And on Friday, close of business day, they sold about 1.6 million shares, and they're up 23%. So look, all in all, I think it's definitely worth to be part of the watch list, and really need to be looked at 9:30 and see how the stock behaves. And it's gonna be sort of get in, get out situation for me. Just information that I want to put it out there for you guys to take a look, and just want to bring it up to your radar. I release video every day. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. And the objective here is to get you guys information early, so this way you can take a look. And hope you guys like this video. I'll talk to you guys later.